Hi, this is Mr. Olson, obviously, and we're starting a project today. I can't be here because I have a sick child, so I thought it would be best if I explain this as opposed to writing it all out and trying to have somebody else explain it. So, today, Thursday, tomorrow, which is Friday, and then next Monday, all three of those days we're going to be in Computer Lab 762. It's in the math wing. And you will have time to work to create your own civilization. So you should have picked this up on your way in. I'm going to talk you through it right now. You are creating a civilization of your own from the past. It can be on this planet. It could be on a different planet. It doesn't matter. It's of your own creation. Okay? In explaining that civilization that you've created, you have to incorporate those 5 aspects of civilization that we've talked about. We started with ancient Sumer and then looked at Mesopotamia and those sorts of things. So you have to talk about advanced cities being the center of trade. You have to talk about what kind of specialized workers they have. So we're assuming that your civilization, since it's a civilization, has grown enough food to be able to feed its people without using all of the workers. So what other skills have your people developed? What other types of jobs are there? That's going to marry nicely with advanced technology. So what sort of things have they created? How are they used in your civilization? How do they keep records? What type of government do they have? How do they decide who's going to be in charge? What type of system of writing or what type of way do they keep track of everything that happens in their society? And what types of complex institutions there are. So this lines up with government, religion, the economy, other things like that. What do people in your civilization do? What have they created? What impact have they made on our world? Okay? So to do this, I will be able to provide some small poster boards. If you want to find one on your own, that's perfectly fine as well. Okay? So when you create this, so we're going to be in the lab, you're going to write out essentially paragraphs about each of these aspects of civilization. So a good paragraph. So not like teensy-weensy little thing. We're talking like 8 to 10 sentences on each of these at least. Okay? You'll explain each of the aspects of the civilization. You got to have a map. I can show you on Friday. There's some tools we can use, different drawing tools on the computer that you can create a map there. You can draw a map. I don't care. But you got to have a map, and you have to include the things that it asks you for on the sheet that you have in front of you. You need an introductory paragraph where you explain where your civilization is, how many people, what type of climate resources, all of that sort of thing, and you have to give it a name. Keep it appropriate. Jake, I'm looking in your direction. So make sure you're working on this today. Today is the only full day you have for this. Tomorrow, Friday, class is only half an hour long, and Monday is a short day. So make sure you get a lot of work done today. Figure out some things about your civilization. This is going to be due next Tuesday. You got to bring it to class, and we're going to share at least some of them. So hopefully I've answered enough questions that you can get started on this project, and I will be back tomorrow. So thank you very much.